Imagine AI running your auto shop in Chandler, Arizona. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the twist. AI marketing is flipping the game for automotive businesses. Picture this: cars driving themselves into your shop because AI predicted their needs before the owner even knew. Automotive marketing is no longer about random ads. It's hyper-personalized, hyper-smart. Thanks to America's Best Shops marketing agency, local auto shops are using AI to decode customer habits, boosting sales like never before. Visualize a dashboard AI analyzing customer data. Then bam! Targeted offers hit your phone. Emotional hook? Your favorite local mechanic now competes with the fastest AI tools on the planet. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening in Chandler right now. AI doesn't sleep. It works 24/7, ensuring your car business stands out in a crowded market. Mind-blowing fact: AI marketing can increase customer retention by 50%. So what if your car repair shop could predict your next problem and solve it before it starts? Is the future of automotive business AI-driven, or is it still just about grease and grit? Drop your thoughts below. Would you trust AI to market your ride?